travel vlog today. I am Rana Sofa, and today I will take you to the one of the most beautiful and relaxing spot in Langsa. This is Kuala Langsa Mangrove Forest. This place is so perfect for nature lovers, for adventure, travelers, or anyone who just want to some peaceful day. The mangrove forest is a true treasure of nature. With calm river winding through the forest, a green canopy, the mangrove forest can protect the land from the waves or the storms. Don't leave your trash, keep the place clean and beautiful for everyone. What you can do here? There's so much to enjoy here. Start with the observation tower. Climbing to the top is a must for breathtaking views and the perfect photo. One of the highlights here is the top observation tower. From the top, you will get a panoramic view, the mangrove forest, and the nearby coastline, guys. If you ever visit Kuala Langsa Mangrove Forest, remember to take care of this beautiful place. Don't leave any trash behind and be responsible. Travelers, let's help keep this place clean and beautiful for everyone to enjoy. Hello guys, thanks for the enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't leave your trash behind. Keep the place clean and beautiful for everyone. Thank you.